As you can see, the rain was pretty ridiculous earlier. Now it's kind of calmed down, still pretty windy, raining kind of on and off. So I think it's going to have to be tomorrow that I am able to look at the car. Um, Even though my car is under a carport at my apartment, um, it's still the car's still wet, so I know rain is still going to get on me if I go out there, and I can't go into my garage at my parents' house anymore because it is currently filled on that side. So, with all my extra parts that I haven't installed yet, so it's kind of my fault. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow to look at the grounding wires, and hopefully, I really hope um, that is the cause. I do know from my grounding kit, my aftermarket grounding kit, I moved a lot of the grounds to a different spot and it wasn't fully secured down. Like the bolt wasn't fully tight. So I'm really hoping if that's the one where the transmission wire is, the grounding for the transmission, I'm almost positive the wire was part of that cluster that I moved. So if it's that, that's a super easy, simple fix. Honestly, if maybe here before it gets dark, if it doesn't rain for about an hour or so, then I might try and go down there real quick and check. But right now it's just kind of on and off, so I'm gonna give it a couple more hours before it starts getting dark out and then I can't see anything. So hopefully, if I can do it today, I'll update you all with a post, a YouTube post. I'll just update you guys that way if it works or not. So we shall find out. I know a subscriber. Let me find your name real quick. Mentioned something about the transmission that I'm gonna research now and look more into. He said that it had happened to him. Let's see. Who was it? I remember Honest Guys Automotive. He had mentioned that his G had a similar issue. Turned out to be the valve body. Solenoids had to be replaced. So I'm gonna do more research into that because I know I made a comment in it, but I'm gonna do research on it if the solenoids are part of the valve body or if they are separate. Because when he said it turned to be the valve body, solenoids had to be replaced. I'm hoping if the solenoids are part of that valve body, then if I just buy a Transgo kit, that valve body has to come out. I'm wondering if that has to come out and I have to replace the solenoids, I might as well just buy a Transgo kit because it has to come out anyways. Put the Transgo in, put it all back together, and then my transmission will be fixed and shifting very fast. So I'm thinking I might go that route if it turns out to be that, but I'm still debating because if it is, it would be dope to have the Transgo, but why not do a manual swap? But then if I do the manual swap, I have to get money to if I do the manual swap, my car is going to sit. Right now, I still have to get to work because I don't have a work vehicle yet, so I'm going to have to somehow buy a daily or a beater car. I've already tried to apply for a loan for another car and didn't get approved for the full amount that I wanted, so as far as getting a car, that's kind of iffy right now. So I don't know, the valve body, I feel like I could swap. I could do that job in a weekend, or take it to a shop and they could do it in a weekend. Um, decisions. Maybe just do the Transgo, have fun with that, get a daily, and then do a manual swap. And then I could sell the Transgo transmission for a little bit more money that I would get for a stock transmission. So just kind of bounce around a ton of ideas, but right now I'm going to do more research into that whole valve body and solenoid thing and see how much those cost. I'm pretty sure I looked into it a while back, and those solenoids are not cheap. So I'm just rambling on, just kind of going through my thought process with you guys. But anyways, if I do look at it tonight, I'll update in a YouTube post. And if anything, tomorrow after work, I'm going to take a look at it and I'll make a video then. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.